It's your man Alex, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 10 tips on how you can grow thicker facial hair. Tip number 1 is going to be your genetics. Yes, that predetermined thing that your parents gave down to you, you had no control over, and now you're stuck here at 20 years old and you're typing it on YouTube. How do I get thicker facial hair? Well, you can thank your parents for the speed at which your facial hair grows, because genetics plays a massive role, and where you were born, what race you are, plays a massive role in whether you actually grow facial hair or you don't grow facial hair. Because there are races out there that absolutely have zero facial hair, and there's many other races that do, whether it's completely thick or in the middle, it's thin, it's somewhat patchy, or there's absolutely zero facial hair whatsoever, clean shaved, bald, baby's booty. Tip number 2 is going to be your age. How old are you right now? Are you 15? Are you 20? Are you 45 or 30? Your age really dictates how much facial hair you're going to have. So let me throw on the screen some pictures of me when I was 19 years old, 20 years old, of my facial hair, and you can see the difference between now and then. This is my beard now. I'm 24, almost 25 years old, right? And it's finally growing in more thick. But when I was 18, 20, 22 years old, my beard was still growing in. And honestly, even though it seems thick right now, it's still growing in a lot right around here, which I usually cut. So what I've read on the internet is that by the time you're 30 years old, or roughly in your 30s, your beard and facial hair will be completely developed, and so by then you will have a pretty good idea whether or not you can or cannot grow a thick beard. Listen, we get it. When you're 15, when you're 18 years old, you want to have a nice beard because all the women love it. They see all the older guys with beards, and women love older men, so then you want to jump over onto that train with the facial hair. We get it. I get it. But sometimes it's going to take time. Whether you're 15, 18 years old, give it some more years, let your facial hair grow out, and then it'll probably start to grow and be thicker. Tip number 3 is going to be to trim properly around your facial hair or what you've got going on your face. So on screen right now, I'm going to throw on a picture, and you guys can see on the left side is going to be my facial hair without me grooming whatsoever. So 0 touch-ups, no lineups, no shaping up of my facial hair, and you can see how big of a mess it is, right? And then to the right of the screen, you'll see my beard right now and how much cleaner it looks on the top. You can see the lineup on the bottom of my neck, and overall, it gives my beard a much more thicker and fuller look and cleans it up a lot. Tip number 4 is going to be to make sure that you are always staying hydrated. Excuse me, 1 second. And so we all know that drinking a lot of water every single day improves the blood circulation throughout your body, improves the overall health of your skin because the water is hydrating your skin, and we all know that hydrating your skin promotes hair growth, creates thicker hair. So make sure you're constantly staying hydrated and on top of your water game. Tip number 5 is going to be to make sure you have a healthier diet with more healthy fats and healthy lean proteins. Your hair is pretty much a protein filament. The more healthy protein that you guys eat, the better off your facial hair is going to be, healthier it's going to be, the more it's going to stimulate growth. And honestly, I can talk for days about eating a healthy diet. Okay, cut out the sugar, cut out the massive amounts of sugar, because I'm sorry, I know it's tough. It's really tough to cut out sugar and all types of stuff, food related, but any type of really processed food, sugar, it's going to spike your insulin, and it's going to decrease the amount of circulation within your body, the natural circulation, and you want to have a really natural good circulation, eating healthy fats, healthy proteins. What should you be eating in terms of fats? I always love to have nuts, olive oil, any type of avocado oil. Sprinkle that on with your food. It's phenomenal. I love olive oil. I'm Greek, as you guys may or may not know. Olive oil is literally in my blood. For me, olive oil is the best fat in terms of anything out there. I breathe, sleep, and eat olive oil on the regular. In terms of proteins, any type of lean meat would be good. Eggs, chicken, fish, you name it. Any type of lean, really healthy meat is going to be a very good protein source for you to really stimulate that hair growth. Excuse me, do you mind? I'm shampooing and conditioning my beard. Whatever you've got going on your face, whether it's thin, whether it's patchy, whether it's somewhat full, you've got to shampoo and condition your beard the same way you do with your scalp. Guys, just like it's critical that you shampoo and condition your scalp, okay, you need to do the exact same thing for your beard to create healthier facial hair. You know the benefits of shampooing and conditioning your scalp, so why wouldn't you take the same amount of care for your scalp as you would for your beard? It's really going to make a huge difference. So if you may or may not know, I'll leave it in the card section above. I actually suffer from dandruff seborrheic dermatitis, and so that actually channeled into my chin area. And if I don't shampoo and condition my beard, it'll actually mess up the hair growth within my beard. And so really taking control of my symptoms, recognizing that my scalp is the same thing as my beard, I have to use shampoo and condition in order to make sure that everything on my head, all the hairs on my head, are completely healthy. And thus, if they're healthy, they're going to make your hair thicker over time. Gentlemen, now we're going to be talking about testosterone. Tip number 7 is going to be to make sure that you are sleeping minimum 8 hours a day. I read online that if you sleep at least 5 hours a day, your testosterone is going to decrease by 15%. And we all know that testosterone is one of the main hormones in our body that promotes hair growth. So by sleeping minimum 8 hours per day, you're going to be increasing those testosterone levels, and you're going to be decreasing your stress and cortisol levels. Listen, I don't know about you guys, but for me, I love sleeping, and I love getting at least 8 hours, sometimes 9 hours. And let me tell you, as soon as I wake up after sleeping 8-9 hours, I feel so rejuvenated, I feel so fresh, and I really feel like I'm just ready to take on the day as soon as I wake up after a really good night's sleep. Sleeping will increase your testosterone and really promote thicker hair growth. Tip number 8 is going to be to reduce your stress levels. I get it. Nowadays, we're working all the time. We've got this and that to do. We've got to take Jimmy to soccer practice. We got to cook for the children. We've got a new baby on the way, this and that. I get it. We're stressed out. But listen, take it easy. Relax. It's going to be okay. Okay. It's going to be okay. Don't worry. It'll all get done. Okay? Don't stress yourself out more than you need to. Work's going to get done every single day. You make it happen. You manage to make it happen. So why stress about it, right? Be happy. Life is great. Do what you gotta do throughout the day. Don't stress about it. Relax. Do some yoga. Work out. Go for a walk with your brother, with your family, with your dog or your cat. Because do they walk cats? Do people walk cats? Nobody walks cats, right? And just really relax. Simmer down. Take it easy. Hey, yo, Baba the Boopy. Hey, yo, hey. I'm from Jersey. What are you doing? Hey, yo, Baba the Boopy. It's all good. What are we doing? Let's live life. Have fun. All right. Tip numero 9. Number 9 is going to be to make sure you guys are exercising to increase your testosterone. There's that word again. Now, when I say exercise, I mean really exercise, you know. Stimulate all the muscles throughout your body. Create massive blood circulation. Okay, I want you sweating your booty off. You should be really getting them weights, hitting those weights, sweating like crazy, breathing like heavy, really creating a nice blood circulation, stimulate the blood flow throughout your body. It's gonna make you stay hydrated more. It's gonna help out with your skin because you're sweating a lot, and then you're retaking in all that water, so it's really flushing out toxins, and it's creating much more strong muscles, creating an increase in your testosterone. Therefore, it's gonna stimulate hair growth on your face and making your hair much more thicker. Tip number 10 on how you can grow thicker facial hair. Hear me out on this one because I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, oh my God, Alex, this and that, whatever. Make sure you let your facial hair grow for at least 30 days. 4 weeks, that's it. Just let your facial hair grow. Don't trim it, don't shave it, don't do anything to your facial hair for 4 weeks. You can go back to step number 3 if you want to shape it up, that's fine. But let your facial hair grow for 4 weeks, and then you'll understand where the patchiness is. If it's thin, all the hair will start to lay a little bit more flat on your face. It'll be a little bit more grown, giving it the illusion, giving it that look of more thicker, fuller facial hair. When your hair's short, it shoots out this way. When your hair is longer, it starts to curl like this and lay flat. Give your facial hair some time to grow, and I'm telling you, it's gonna look a lot thicker, a lot fuller. And at that point, then you can start putting certain guards on your trimmer or your clippers, and you can start running it at a certain guard length, so that way the existing hair isn't being cut, but if any more hairs are growing, they'll end up getting cut the same length as the longer hairs that were already there. 30 days is all I'm asking, so you guys can really understand and put your beard to the test and make it reach its full potential. Bonus tip number 11. It's 11. Make sure that you guys are ignoring, completely just disregard, discredit, ignore, it's not a fact, that shaving your beard makes your hair thicker and grow faster. It's a lie. It's not true. It's not gonna help. Don't shave your beard thinking that it's going to grow thicker and faster over time. It's not gonna happen. The only way your beard's gonna grow is if you let it grow. If you're shaving constantly, you're taking all the hair off your face. Shaving doesn't increase the speed at which your hair grows. Letting your hair grow out naturally through time is going to let it actually grow out on your face. So you need to just let it grow on its own. So you want to completely ignore that myth. It's a lie. It doesn't exist. Shaving your face does not promote thicker, faster hair growth. It's not true. Let your hair grow out naturally. Take the 30-day challenge and follow the other tips in this video, and I guarantee you, you're gonna see a lot more facial hair on your face. YouTube! That brings me to the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a giant thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you wanna see more content, I do a lot of men's grooming, self-haircut videos, teaching you how to cut your own hair. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, but I'll catch you all next time. Peace.